What's up, YouTube family? Kevin here, aka Mr. Tradehustler, with another video. We're going to talk about SMCI super microcomputers, which I think is at an amazing value right now. I don't think we're going to see this value at its at right now, no time again in the near future. I think it's only going to go up from here because of the things that we're going to get ready to discuss. So we're going to get into it. First, SMCI has a large pipeline of $13 billion in growth that they're looking to expand upon this upcoming year for 2026. They also have a GPU product demand, which is the strong GPU from major vendors to large high sales moving forward. Also, they had expand manufacturing capacity to thousands of racks per month. So they're expanding their operations. They're only going to continue to get better, only going to continue to grow. The sales are only going to continue to increase, so the GP numbers is increasing, and it's going to help the company thrive. It's been beaten down for other reasons within the market, but I definitely think this is at a good buy where it's at in the market right now because it's almost at the bottom. So I can go have nowhere but to go up but upside. Yeah, so the cons are decreased debt position, a low gross margin temporarily, and you have competition from other vendors in the space that are kind of keeping the price kind of compressed right now. But I think if you will buy shares and you buy contracts for long-term, hold it for at least a year, you'll see a nice return on your investment. Also, current price is $32. They have the low at $26, the average at $44.82, and the high at $63. So we still have about 100% upside to reach the highs to the average, probably another 40% upside from where we can go from there, all right? So I think this SMCI is a great opportunity, a great company. They need it in the GPU space along with NVIDIA. They have a purpose, have a function in the market, so they're not going anywhere. They're gonna be around. They're already making billions and billions of dollars each and every year. So I definitely think this company is a great buy right now. So if you're looking for a community to be able to join to help you understand what you're looking to invest in, what's going to help your portfolio, join the link in the description below. Like, subscribe to the video, comment, let me know what other companies you would like for me to do a deep dive on and give you my opinion on so you can help you grow your portfolio. Thank you for your time. See you in the next one.